Welcome to Dubai, a city where luxury meets innovation and cultural diversity thrives. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Dubai's top attractions, share local tips, and uncover some hidden gems that you won't want to miss. Let's start with some of Dubai's iconic landmarks. First up, the Burj Khalifa. Standing tall as the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa offers an unforgettable observation deck experience. Be sure to book your tickets in advance, and for the best sunset views, aim to visit in the late afternoon. Next we have the Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island is designed in the shape of a palm tree and is home to luxury resorts, including the famous Atlantis the Palm. And then, there's the Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping malls in the world. It's not just about shopping here. You can explore the Dubai Aquarium, enjoy the thrills of VR Park, and so much more. Now let's dive into some cultural experiences. Start your journey at Dubai Creek and the Fahidi historical neighborhood. Here, you can take traditional Abra rides and visit museums that showcase the city's rich heritage. Don't miss the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding for a deeper insight into local customs. Another must-visit is the Jumeirah Mosque. Known for its stunning architecture, it offers guided tours for non-Muslim visitors, providing a unique glimpse into Islamic culture. And finally, there's Global Village, a multicultural festival park where you can enjoy food, shopping, and entertainment from around the world. Now let's uncover some of Dubai's hidden gems. First, Alserkal Avenue, a vibrant arts district filled with galleries, cafes, and creative spaces. It's a haven for art lovers and those looking to experience Dubai's contemporary culture. Next, head to Hatta, a mountain enclave perfect for outdoor activities like kayaking and hiking. It's a great escape from the city's hustle and bustle. And to wrap it up, visit La Mer Beach. With its trendy vibe, beachfront dining, and colorful street art, it's the perfect spot to relax and soak in the sun. Now let's dive into the delightful world of food and drink in Dubai. Emirati cuisine is something you absolutely have to try. Whether it's shawarma, falafel, or even camel meat, the flavors are simply unforgettable. For those who enjoy luxury dining, Dubai won't disappoint. You can dine at iconic restaurants like at Datmosphere in the Burj Khalifa or Pirshik, offering not just exquisite food but also breathtaking views. But if street food is more your style, don't miss out on manakish, which is like an Arabic pizza, and the ever-popular karak chai, a spiced tea that locals love. And of course, you have to try some local drinks. Arabic coffee is a must, and you can also enjoy a variety of fresh juices and mocktails. Alright, let's talk about some practical tips for your trip to Dubai. First, the best time to visit is between November and March when the weather is cooler and more pleasant. When it comes to getting around, you have several options. The metro is efficient, taxis are readily available, and ride-hailing apps like Careem make transportation a breeze. Safety is important, so be sure to respect local customs and avoid public displays of affection. It's always better to be mindful of the culture. While Arabic is the official language, you'll find that English is widely spoken, making it easy to communicate and navigate your way through the city. Dubai is amazing, but there's so much more to explore just a short trip away. Abu Dhabi is a top choice, with attractions like the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque and the Louvre Abu Dhabi. If you're interested in cultural heritage, Sharjah is the place to go. It boasts numerous museums and family-friendly attractions that are sure to enrich your experience. And, for a bit of adventure, you can't miss a desert safari. Whether it's dune bashing, camel rides, or experiencing a Bedouin-style camp, it's an experience you'll never forget. So there you have it, a glimpse into why Dubai is such a must-visit destination. From its stunning architecture and luxurious experiences to its rich culture and delicious food, there's something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite Dubai experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.